How to use Trello for beginners. New to Trello, let's break down how beginners can use it to organize tasks and projects easily. So, step one, create a board. So, click on this create button at the top right of your screen and then select try it for free. So to be able to create a board, click on create at the top right of your screen. Make sure you are signed into your Trello account. And then under that, you should find this create board option. So you can create a board from scratch or start with a template. So choose what you prefer better, and then from here you need to select the background of your board. So there are a few backgrounds you can choose from. You can also select specific colors or like view more by clicking on view more, so you can get more photo selection from Unsplash. And then once you have selected the background, name your board and then set where the specific board belongs to your workspace, and then set the visibility of this board. And then once you're done, you'd be able to create the board. Now, inside the board, you can add lists. So this is what you call lists. So you can simply click on this add another list, name it, and then you'd be able to add items under that list. Now you can move cards around lists. So these are known as cards, and then on each card you can add labels, dates, checklists, and numbers. You can add description and comments as well. So you can drag this card to where it belongs to, so you can easily track your progress on any project you prefer to do. Now you can invite members to this board, so simply click on share and then enter their email address in here. You can go ahead and create a link that will allow you to share this board through a link, so anyone who has the link can access the board as a viewer, editor, or whichever you want to let them access this board. And that is how to use Trello for beginners.